Hello everybody, I'm Shubi from mygamingedge.online. My hobby is to host on Source Engine games, mainly some indies game and Source mod projects which are old, like for old timer, nostalgia, talking here. As you can see, I'm hosting already several projects, but today I will show you how to install Fistful of Frags, which is a source mod modification. Um, Not the Steam release, but the old release, which is still sometime active with some pickup events, like we're gonna do soon. Um, so how it works? First thing is to uh, go on ModDB. You go in File, and you grab the last version, which is the 3.9 A full release here, and hit download. You wait a little bit, and then the loading gonna start. Alright, so you can take it. I will put the link in the description for the link for the mod project, which is still available on moddb.com website. Um, the thing is that we're gonna soon there is already some server which are still work in progress, and gonna be ready soon for the event we're gonna make soon. So there will be PvP and co-op server. The only thing, the getaway will be through the old Steam group, which is linked on the website. We're gonna post post release soon with more information about how to install, how to join, and also host maybe if you want to host your own server. Uh, so it's not the Steam release, it's the old modification, which is still available on ModDB, to be clear. So that's one thing. The next step, so once you have the mod file, all you need to do next is to go in your Steam library, and you check here, you check the box for tools here, and then type SDK 2007 or just SDK alone. And here you can see here the source SDK base 2007. Hit install. You need to install it where Steam on your drive, where there is a Steam location already existing. So be cautious about that. So for example, on my side, my Steam is on the C drive, so I'm gonna install the SDK and the mod file on the C drive as well. That's the only requirement. So if it's install, so that's the first thing you need to do, is to install the source SDK base 2007. Alright, the installation of the SDK is done. So we can create that, and then as you can see, the SDK is installed. All you need to do next is to go in the download folder where the mod file which have been downloaded before are present. All you need to do is to open. Alright, so the mod file, click install. You're gonna automatically go in the right folder, which is the C on the C drive. For some reason, if you have another drive, you need to use 7-zip to extract. You can always go here with 7-zip and extract the exe file in a other location if it's not C drive. So we are planning to host a few servers for a few weeks, months, depending on which people we gonna attract on them. Um, we're gonna also maybe make some tutorials how to successfully host dedicated server on the mod version of the game for Linux and Windows maybe. Alright, and as requested, need to restart Steam to be able to see popping up the game in your Steam library. You can close that page, which is our website. You can remove the icon here, and then you can also remove the exe file, which is not used anymore, and go in the Steam library, exit Steam, you launch it again. And as you can see, the mod is here. You can add it to the favorite. I recommend using also that launch parameter if you wish for getting the console. For those who know, launch a game, of course. So by default, uh, so as you can see, you need to unbox that show map listing here. You need to unclick that, check the filtering, uh, be sure that there is nothing in the filtering, and then refresh all. And then you can see already the there is currently 2 servers, but there gonna be 2 more soon. This one is from Wizard, this mine, and Tara gonna make the new one. 2 of them soon, with better ping for European. So this one is cooperative. That one is player versus player currently. Um, that's how it looks. So all you need to do is to join that one. Is protected by but gonna be public soon. So let's join this one instead. There we go. Uh, we have successfully joined the server. You can join the other one, which is player versus player. For once it's public. That, as you can see, this is the 3.9a, which is the last version of the mod file. Uh, Alright, so I hope that my video was helpful for those who doesn't know how to install uh, mod for Source Engine games. It's actually very easy. Uh, we're gonna also make event here on the Hosting group, so there will be like posting and also event here in the event tab with IP and more information coming soon. Alright, I hope that I was helpful and see you next time.